When people hear the name Rockefeller, they think about extraordinary wealth. But the real story isn't how wealth was created. It's how that wealth was managed, protected, and sustained over generations. Today, we're exploring 7 timeless financial principles inspired by one of history's most influential business families, and how you can apply those ideas to your own financial journey. The first principle is ownership. Income pays today's expenses. Ownership creates tomorrow's opportunities, whether it's businesses, investment portfolios, cash flow producing real estate, intellectual property. The goal is to own assets that have the potential to produce value over time. The question becomes, am I simply earning income, or am I building ownership? Markets move every day, but wealth is often built over decades. Many successful investors focus less on daily headlines and more on long-term trends. That mindset encourages patience, disciplined investing, and the power of compounding. Time can become one of your greatest financial allies. One powerful idea is to let your assets grow before dramatically increasing your lifestyle. Instead of spending every financial success, consider reinvesting part of it. Reinvestment can help create a cycle. Income becomes assets. Assets produce cash flow. Cash flow acquires more assets. Over time, that cycle may become increasingly powerful. Growing wealth is only part of the equation. Protecting it matters just as much. That may include diversification, appropriate insurance, estate planning, tax planning with qualified professionals, maintaining adequate liquidity. Successful wealth builders understand that avoiding catastrophic losses is often just as important as pursuing gains. Opportunities rarely happen in isolation. Strong relationships can lead to business opportunities, mentorship, partnerships, shared knowledge. Your network doesn't replace hard work. One of the greatest risks to family wealth isn't market volatility. It's a lack of financial education. Teaching future generations about saving, investing, responsibility, stewardship may prove more valuable than any inheritance alone. Knowledge helps wealth endure. Financial success creates options, but lasting significance often comes from how those resources are used. For many families, wealth becomes a tool to support loved ones, invest in communities, fund education, build businesses, create opportunities. Money is a powerful resource. Purpose gives it direction. You don't need one of history's largest fortunes to think like a long-term wealth builder. Start with the principles. Own productive assets. Think long-term. Reinvest wisely. Protect what you build. Value relationships. Teach financial literacy. And remember that true wealth is measured not only by what you accumulate, but by the impact you create. Because the greatest legacy isn't simply leaving wealth, it's leaving wisdom.